Mole de olla. Let's go. For our mole de olla, we'll need beef shank, onion, garlic cloves, bay leaves, corn cobs, zucchinis, potatoes, green beans, and guajillo chiles, and 2 stems of epazote. In a slow cooker, add in your meat, onions, garlic, bay leaves, water to cover everything, a touch of salt, and cook for 45 minutes. Now cut your zucchini into eighths, cut green beans into smaller pieces, chop potatoes into medium dice, cut your corn into 4 to 5 pieces. Boil your chiles and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then you're going to blend them and strain it. Season with a touch of salt and taste. In a pot with water, add in your potatoes and corn, season with some coarse salt, and we're going to start to cook. When your vegetables have been boiling for about 10 to 12 minutes, add in your guajillo sauce, add in green beans, epazote, and lower to medium low heat. When your meat is ready, pull it out, add it into your pot with 2 cups of broth, and let it cook until the potatoes are about ready, and then add in your zucchinis. Season and let it cook for another 8 minutes. Then give it a taste. Serve it up, like, share, and subscribe, and remember, buen provecho.